Hey guys, what's going on? I am in my bathroom. So I'm actually in the process of remodeling my bathroom. So you guys are getting a sneak peek for the first time. It has definitely been a change in the making and we are on our final stages. So I don't want to walk into much of that, but I just wanted to do a get unready with me because I do have makeup on and I wanted to show you guys what I have been doing to clean my skin, a couple different things that I'm using for skincare for evening and some of it that uses for day mixture with evening too. So I just wanted to go ahead and let's get unready for the evening. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please make sure that you give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click that notification bell as well, and we're gonna get into a get unready with me. So I'm already pre-dampened my makeup eraser, and this is the original red, and this is reusable. Just stick it in the wash and reuse it. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're going to wipe off the makeup that's on my face. I do like to double cleanse and sometimes triple cleanse just to make sure that my skin gets very clean. And as you can see, this is what my face looks like. I do have a full face of makeup on, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off. This is just water on this makeup wipe. And my makeup has been on for 11 hours. And I used to like to use wipes, but I don't like to use wipes that much anymore just because they're so harsh on my skin and they broke me out a lot too. So this is half of my face wiped off already, and you can see that it took all of the makeup off. I'm sorry about the light, guys. I'll zoom you in so you guys can see a little bit more. No makeup, makeup side. I'm gonna go ahead and let's wipe this side off. And this is very quick. And I'm very gentle around my eyes as well. I don't like to push very hard. A nighttime routine is something that I try to do almost every single night. Doesn't matter if I was in the shower or not. And I'm just pulling down very softly on my lashes to get the mascara off. All right, so all of the makeup is off. I'm gonna go ahead and use some cleansers. 3 different cleansers that I like to use for when I have makeup on. I will use the wonderful double cleanse from Olehenriksen. And I do like this one a lot because it definitely helps get a lot of the makeup off, and it is very soft on the skin as well. It has olive and borage seed oils and blackcurrant extract, and this is part of the Nurture line. If I'm just doing an everyday, there are 2 different ones that I like to use. The other one is Truth Juice Daily Cleanser from Olehenriksen, and this is part of the Truth line. This actually used to be part of a pump. Now it is actually a squeeze tube like this. This one has orange fruit water and PHA. And a newer one that I've been enjoying is the Farmacy, the Clean Bee. And this is a ultra gentle facial cleanser. And this one is very, very nice. You can take off makeup with this one, and it is very comfortable. It does have honey blend and hyaluronic acid, and it's formulated with sensitive skin in mind. And what I'm gonna do first is I'm actually going to double cleanse just to make sure that I do get all of the makeup off. I'm gonna go in with the Wonderfeel Double Cleanser, and I'm going to put some of this on my hand, that amount, and rub it in. It smells like gummies. I'm bringing it down my neck as well, and I'm going to get some water on my hands to get this stuff in. Just massaging some water into my hands and on my face to lather this stuff up. And I'm going to go ahead and wash my face, and I will be right back. Just patting my face dry with my clean, freshly washed towel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cleanse one more time, and I'm gonna use the Truth Juice from Olehenriksen, about that much. Rub that into my hands. Smells like orange dreamsicles. And I'm gonna get a little bit of water on my hands. And lather this up pretty good. I usually do this for between 1 to 2 minutes. All right, I'm gonna go wash my face off and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, just patting dry my face again. All right, what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to use a face mask because my skin has been not the best lately and I want to put a face mask on. What I'm gonna use is the Summer Fridays. This is the R&R-mask. The R&R-mask is for petal soft skin, smooth out rough days with this spa-worthy replenishing mask featuring delicately ground wild rose powder to whisk away dead skin cells that just can't take a hint. And my skin is rough. It's not too bad on my face itself, it's actually more on my neck. So what we're gonna do is we're going to apply this on my face and my neck, and I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. I do like Summer Fridays masks. I do have the Jetlag mask, which I like to use a lot. I'm just taking some of this. This is what it looks like. It has some particles in there, and I just go ahead and massage it in. And I'm gonna use a generous amount just so that I can make sure that I do get a good skin feeling. And this is actually pretty gentle, but you can definitely feel that there's something working. And it makes your skin feel like you have like an oil on your face as well. All right, so what I'm gonna do is let this sink in for 10 minutes or so, and then I will be back to take this off and also go through my nightly skincare. And we'll talk about a few of those things as well. So I will see you back here in about 10 minutes or so. All right guys, so I just have about a couple more minutes until I need to wash this mask off, but I wanted to talk to you about another mask that I have that I've loved a lot and I'm almost empty, which is the Olehenriksen, and this is the Phat Glow Facial. This is a PHA and Nordic birch sap, and this one definitely helps to clean the skin and also works with the pores, and it also is very, very nice to use when you do use it. So it's pink out of the pump, and I'll just put a little bit on my finger here. So it's pink on the pump, and you have to massage it in to your skin, and it turns white, so you know that it is active. I'll do it on the back of my hand here so you can see where it turns white, and leave this on for 10-20 minutes as well. And this helps with the skin really, really nice, and it is very, very soft. So that's another mask that I like to use. I'll use it during the day or even at night. I also just said that I was talking about was the Jetlag mask from Summer Fridays as well. You can leave this on for overnight, or you can leave it on for 20 minutes, or you can leave it on during the day and you can use a smaller amount, and then I can put my makeup on or anything like that. And this stuff works really good and it doesn't clog my pores. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash off this mask and we will see what the skin looks like. All right, so I just got a washcloth damp and I'm wiping that mask off. And I do have sensitive skin, so my skin does turn red when you touch it, but it goes away. And this is what my skin looks like. And I definitely can feel that the texture on my neck has gone away just within that 10 minutes, and my skin feels so soft. And I will use this stuff maybe a couple times a week. I'll go in between a few of the face masks for the evening. I do have one from Caudalie as well, which is the Detox mask, which helps with the texture and clog pores, and I like that stuff as well, but I'm almost empty on that one. So I'm gonna go in first is with the Kiehls Iris Extract, and this is an essence. I don't know if you can see it pretty well. This is a Iris Florentina extract to reactivate skin's youthful look for smoother, radiant skin. And this is supposed to be for all skin types. Put a little bit of this on my hands, and then I will rub my hands together and pat this onto the skin. You can see that my skin is pretty radiant as well. I'm gonna let that sit on my face for a couple minutes. I'm gonna wash my hands and then we will move on to toner. Next, I'm going to go in with toner, and I'm going to use a cotton round. And I have been testing out the Farmacy Deep Sweep with 2% BHA, and I got this about the same time as the Clean Bee face wash. It says it's for pore cleaning toner with moringa and papaya. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And this stuff is alcohol-free, has 2% BHA toner, gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oil without over-stripping the skin. It contains a blend of salicylic acid, moringa water, and papaya enzyme to help reduce shine and minimize the look of pores. I do like this stuff. It comes in a glass bottle, which is great. Put a little bit of this on a cotton round. Just get it pretty damp like that. And then I go ahead and wipe this on. I am not a skincare expert, so if I'm not supposed to be wiping a certain way, I am sorry. But I just noticed that this works well for my skin, and I don't have a lot of breakouts. My skin has been doing really, really well, unless it's that time of the month. All right, I'm going to go into a Caudalie product, and this is the Beauty Elixir. This is something that you're gonna put on before you put any moisturizer on your face because it helps with your skin and tightens and smooths, tightens appearance of pores and provides a burst of radiance to the complexion. And this stuff I have loved. This is actually my second or third bottle, and I only have that much left. Go ahead, I usually shake it up pretty good, and then I will squirt it on all over my face. And this stuff smells super good too. All right, so we're gonna go into serums. I have been using the Olehenriksen skincare pretty much religiously for over almost 2 years now. And I have been loving this stuff mainly for a evening. I'll use this even with the Jetlag mask. And this is the Olehenriksen, and this is the Invigorating Night Transformation Serum. And this is part of the Transformation line, and it's a concentrated multi-source AHA complex. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on my hand. You can see that it's clear, and we're going to rub this into the face, and you will get a tingling sensation with this, but it goes away, and it's very gentle. And then I just like to gently pat this in. If you're hearing any noise, Rody's doing some stuff, and my skin gets a little bit tacky, so you know that it is working, and then it dries down. And then I'm gonna go in with eye cream first, and I am also using the Olehenriksen. This is the Transformation Eye Cream, and this is the Uplifting Transformation Eye Cream. And this one is in cucumber and algae extracts biopeptide. And this stuff smells really, really good too. And it is almost clear, and it's a jelly form. Anything you can see. 2 big scoops, 1 for each eye, and I will go ahead and tap this with both of my fingers all around my eye and onto my brow a little bit. And this stuff feels really, really nice, and it smells really good too. Sometimes I'll go in with the Ordinary, the Buffet, and this is a peptide serum as well, but I'm not going to use that this evening. But we are going to go into the Olehenriksen Transform Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. And it is a white consistency. Not too much of a smell. And I have a little scoop that I use, just like this. And I scoop a bunch of this out on my fingers, about that much. Massage it between both my hands and apply to the face. And I can still smell the eye cream. This stuff feels so nice on the skin. I use a thicker layer of this too, just to make sure that it's doing its job. I have a face mask that I use. I don't use it very often, and it is also from the Olehenriksen brand. And this is part of the Transformation, and this is the Instant Transformation Lemon Facial Peel. And when my skin is acting up, I go in with this. It smells like lemon heads, and you can see that it is definitely loved, and this stuff works really, really well. I don't want to say that it's very strong, but it definitely works magic. And I'll leave this on for 10-15 minutes as well, wash it off, do my moisturizer and my eye cream, and I wake up in the morning and my skin is baby smooth. Another toner that I like to use is the Murad Hydrating toner. This is something newer to me. Wanted to try a couple different things for a toner because I just wasn't happy with a lot of toners. So I actually picked this up, and then the toner from Farmacy came available. So I picked them both up at 2 different times, and I like it a lot. Another eye cream that I like to use is the IOPE, and this is the Super Vital Eye Cream. And this is really, really good too. I like to use this more for night, and then also if I'm going to use that Jetlag mask. It smells so good. And I've used this a bunch, but you can see how much I've used it. And this stuff works really, really good too. Another mask and eye cream that I use is the Glow Recipe, and this is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask and the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. These two work really, really good together as well. I don't use it as often. Maybe I should use it a little bit more, but I just noticed that my skin's been doing really, really good lately. The last thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of lip balm on, and we're going to use the Summer Fridays lip balm. I don't know if it's focusing, but this is what the package looks like. And this is the Lip Butter Balm, and it's in the scent Vanilla. And this stuff is really, really nice. You don't need a lot. I stick it in my bag and I use it during the day. So it's like a little paste. I do like the Laneige one too, the sleeping mask. That works really, really good as well. But I just had this next to me, so I wanted to use it tonight. All right, so I am done with my skincare. I've talked about some of the masks that I've been using. These are the evening stuff. The last thing I'm gonna talk about is a face oil. This face oil I use after I've had my time of the month and if I'm breaking out, but where I'm breaking out. And it is the Sunday Riley the UFO Oil. And this stuff, not the best smell by any means. It smells like, I don't know. It's always been that way though, but it's great. It works for acne, and I will dab it on my finger and I will put it on the spots where I'm actually starting to break out. And I'll use it for a few days in a row on those spots, and my skin where the area is goes away, and it's great. So I hope you guys enjoyed my get unready with me. Please let me know in the comment section below if you like this style of video. Please let me know, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click that notification bell, and positive if you guys like this video, if you guys let me know if you want to see my bathroom tour. We are almost done with it, so give me some good big thumbs up, a lot of good comments in that section, and I will make that happen for you. Maybe I'll have Brody actually in one of my videos. I don't think he really has been in any of them, besides for maybe just a few things here and there, but maybe he can actually talk through as well. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoy your evening, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.